Next we're going to do our peanut butter and chocolate cake. I have chocolate cake with peanut butter buttercream. And all you have to do is just take regular peanut butter and add it to taste to your buttercream and mix it together. You can do chunky if that's totally up to you. I prefer smooth. Just mix it until it's all incorporated together. After we have frosted our peanut butter and chocolate cake, we're going to go ahead and add our decorations. I have here some little teeny weeny chocolate peanut butter like cup pieces, and you can find these in the baking section of your market, like where the chocolate morsels and stuff are. And they actually have little peanut butter in the middle, just like little peanut butter cups, as you can see. Really cute. So this kind of gives a little bit more peanut butter flavor. We'll do that just like any other crumbs or nuts on the side. You're going to add these. These are a little chunkier, a little bit harder to put on there, but I think they're worth it. Then just put it on your board. And then we're going to finish it off again with rosettes. And I have little peanut butter cups I'm just going to place on. Now you can use big ones and cut them in quarters, or even these ones would have been perfectly fine on top, but I'm going to use these today and place one on each rosette. And there we have our peanut butter and chocolate cake.